Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR freestanding water fountain. So it comes with instructions, and that is actually in color. It says that accepts 100 to 120 volts, and that holds about 4.5 gallons of water. So here is our water pump. It says that is a BEO 750A. And here's a transformer. It goes from 120 volts down to 12 volts AC, and that's good for 200 milliamps. Okay, so that is a fairly tall boy. And that actually looks pretty nice. So I can't tell that this is a plastic that is painted. There's a lot of them that I've seen where the paint is very poorly done. This is actually done very well. So we can tell that there is some art put into this. We can also see, if we look in there, that there are some LEDs in there. So this is actually going to light up as well as flow water. At the very top, we can see where the water is going to start. So it's just going to pump out of those holes there, and then it's just going to rush down the channels. So that is the whole guy. It is flat on the back, so you can lay it right against a wall. We've got our chamber in here. So in the back, we've got our tubing. And we've got our connector for the LEDs. So this is a 2-pin connector that is just going to push into the bottom, and then we will lock that guy down. And our pump, just push that guy in, and then we can drop that back into the bottom of the tank. So it says to fill the water from the back right here, and to do that you'll probably need a funnel or something like that, just because getting something to that area is going to be a little difficult. Another solution would just be to fill it from the bottom and let it drain as it naturally would, because any water that enters the bottom is just going to go right into the reservoir anyway. And this cover has a slot in it, so we'll just run all of our cables into there and lock that back in. Let's turn on our lights. That's kind of nice. And we'll plug in our pump. There we go. Cool. It's getting all of them. So I do really like the reflection from the lights going off of the water, how it kind of just bounces off of the rocks on the back. That is a very nice look to it. So yeah, super easy to set up. That looks very good. Overall, that is a very nice fountain.